Have you ever felt like your mind isn't where it's supposed to be, like it's scattered everywhere? You sit down to study or work, and suddenly your phone buzzes, a notification pops up, or an unexpected thought pulls you away. Minutes turn into hours, and by the end of the day you realize you've accomplished nothing meaningful. It's frustrating, isn't it? Many people think success comes only to those who are the smartest or the most talented. But history tells a different story. Success comes to those who can stay focused, those who hold on to their dreams and keep moving forward. Losing focus is like stealing from your own potential. Focus is that invisible force that turns possibility into reality. And today's story shows exactly how that works. It's about a boy who once felt completely hopeless. His grades were dropping, his confidence was falling apart, but a small change eventually took him to a much bigger place. What happened next might change the way you look at your own life. In a busy city lived a boy named Aaron. Smart, full of dreams, but easily distracted. Aaron wanted to be many things. Sometimes a doctor, sometimes an artist, sometimes an adventurer. His imagination was endless, but his focus was fragile. Whenever he tried to study, his phone rang. Whenever he sat in class, his mind drifted far away. Every night he promised himself he'd do better the next day. But the cycle kept repeating. At first, Aaron thought it didn't matter. He believed being smart alone was enough and success would come anyway. But slowly reality caught up with him. His grades dropped. People who once praised him were now disappointed. His friends moved ahead while he felt stuck behind. Worst of all, his confidence began to crumble. Many nights he lay awake whispering to himself, "Maybe I'm just not good enough." He was deeply worried about his future. What would happen to him? Could he make it? During this time, a man from his village advised him to visit an old teacher living in the next village, someone who might help him solve his problems. Hearing this, Aaron felt a spark of hope. He decided he would meet the old teacher the next day. Thinking about that, Aaron finally fell asleep. The next morning, Aaron woke up early and set off to meet the old teacher. The teacher was known for his wisdom. Many people came to him for guidance. He had helped many young people learn how to set their goals. When Aaron arrived, he found the old teacher sitting outside with his eyes closed. Aaron stood quietly, unsure how to begin. Finally, he said softly, "Sir, I try, but I can't focus. My mind is always wandering. I keep failing. Maybe I'm just helpless." The old teacher listened silently, then opened his eyes and handed Aaron a glass full of water. "Take this glass," he said. "Go to the market and come back. But not a single drop of water should spill." Aaron's eyes widened. "That's impossible. The market is always crowded and noisy." "Try," the teacher replied. Aaron stepped into the busy street. Shopkeepers were shouting, dogs barking, children running around. Every time he looked around, water spilled. By the time he returned, half the glass was empty. The old teacher shook his head. "See, Aaron, this is your mind. You try to move forward with your studies, your dreams, your goals. But every time your attention wanders, your focus spills away. And when your bowl becomes empty, nothing remains." Aaron lowered his head. "What should I do?" "Try again," the teacher said. This time Aaron walked slowly. He kept his eyes fixed on the water. He ignored the noise, the distractions, everything around him. When he returned, only a few drops were missing. The old teacher's eyes sparkled. When your eyes stay on your goal, distractions can't touch you. That is focus, an art of paying attention to what truly matters. From that day on, Aaron began training his focus like a muscle. The old teacher gave him 4 simple rules. 1. Control your thoughts. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back. 2. Create a routine. Set clear times for studying, resting, and playing. 3. Remove distractions. Put your phone away, close the games, clean your desk. 4. Practice every day. Slow, steady effort builds discipline, just like a seed growing into a tree. Aaron thanked the old teacher and headed home. By the time he reached, evening had arrived. At first, Aaron failed many times. He still picked up his phone. He still daydreamed. His friends laughed at him for not wanting to play games. But every night, he remembered the old teacher's lesson and the glass of water. Day by day, he grew stronger. Aaron made a schedule and followed it. He studied in small sessions with full concentration. He kept his phone in another room. Whenever his mind wandered, he whispered, "This is my focus time." Slowly, his restless mind became calm and steady. Weeks passed. Aaron could now study for hours without distraction. His grades improved. His teachers noticed his effort. They whispered among themselves, "This was the weak student, and look at him now." His confidence returned. Months later, Aaron faced a major scholarship exam. This time he prepared the right way, no last-minute panic, no frantic memorizing. He studied regularly, rested properly, and stayed calm. On exam day, he sat with a clear mind. He read carefully, thought deeply, and completed the test with confidence. When the results came, Aaron had not only passed, he ranked among the top students. His mother cried with pride. His friends celebrated. Everyone congratulated him. But Aaron knew the real victory wasn't the score. It was what he had learned. Focus is the key to success. Years later, Aaron became a teacher. On his first day, he walked into the classroom holding a glass full of water. The students looked at him curiously and started to laugh. Aaron smiled and said, "An old teacher once showed me this. Success doesn't belong to the smartest or the fastest. Success belongs to the one who can stay focused. You can achieve anything, as long as you don't let your dreams spill away." The students listened with wide eyes. Many later said that his lesson changed their lives. Aaron, the boy who once thought he was useless, now taught others how to hope. The lesson from Aaron's journey: focus isn't about doing more. It's about doing what truly matters. Distractions will always be there, but you decide whether your glass will empty or stay full. True strength isn't knowing many things. It's holding on to one thing until it's done. Thank you for reading. From that day on, Arab never lost his way again. He started showing the way to others. So friends, what do we learn from this story? Are you like Arab too? Do you have big dreams but can't seem to start? Or maybe you start something but give up after a few days. Or you're afraid to take the first step. Remember, life is not about fear. Life is about strength, effort, and courage. Every day we think, "This work is too hard. Will I ever achieve it? There are people better than me who can't do it. So how will I?" But if you think like that, you will only fall behind. To move forward, you need to make one decision. I will start this work, and I won't give up until I finish. I have to do this. Whether it's studying, getting a job, or anything else. When you tell yourself, "I can do this, I'm capable," and work with a clear goal, you'll see that your fear disappears, and you'll reach your dream faster than you think. And remember, to achieve success, you must be consistent. If you work regularly, success will come for sure. So friends, What is your goal in life? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the story, don't forget to like the video. And for more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.